Greetings, my precious viewers. Here is Nicola from nnweb.net. Welcome to my new tutorial. In last one, you saw this whole section, but I only showed you how to create this menu with icons. But today, I'm going to show you how to create this Welcome to Universe section or another hero section with this background image, with image overlay, how to change font for the text, to use some Lore Ipsum text, and how to create this cool button with this interesting hover effect. I think only that I should change the color, background color for footer. And if you stay with me until the end of this tutorial, I will show you I have one surprise for you. I want to give you some hint, and I want to one of this section will be fixed or sticky. And the OceanWP theme doesn't support this functionality. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go from pages and create a new one because I want to change some OceanWP settings. And let's name it to welcome. Here in content layout, I want full width and disable paddings. On header, I don't want to see top bar. Logo OK, menu OK, title disable. Breadcrumbs and footer, disable the footer widgets area. Okay, let's click on publish. Publish immediately, and now edit with Elementor. Let's add one section with full width, enable stretch, full width, with no column gap, no gap. Okay, and let's add our background picture. Click on style, and in background, click here on background type, classic, and choose image. I already uploaded this image, but in previous tutorial you can find the link to Unsplash. This is a free image. And here click center position. For example, let's add fixed. Repeat no, and size let's change to color. Okay, now go to layout, and here click on fit to screen. See? Okay, click on update. Now let's add text. This will be heading. Let me copy the title. Remember that on the page it should be one H1 tag, just one. Okay, on style, let's change text color to be pure white. Typography, let me see which font I use. Allegria Sans PC. Not PC, SC, with size of 68 pixels. This is default values. Okay, text shadow none. And for paragraph, let's add beneath. We are going to use this Lorem Ipsum text. Change color, alignment, and typography. I believe this is Poppins. And font size for Poppins is 16 pixels. Okay. Click here, click enter to change text in new row. And now let's change the, I think, the line height. Okay, and now let's add our button. Let's see property for button. And this is text. Center. I think this is a small one. Yes, it is. Okay, now change the font. We need this one. Okay. Let me see the text color or background color. Background color is complete transparent. Okay, but we need a border, solid border, 1 pixel for all sides. Also, we need a border radius, 10 pixels for all, and box shadow. Let's -2 here. Let's change the position here to be inset. Okay. And now we want that cool hover section. Click here on update. From here, let's go to the customizer. Open it in new tab. Just wait a few seconds to open it. Let's open our inspect tool and target our button. Let's copy from here these classes. Okay. And add a hover state. Let's test it again. Now it is working. Okay, let's copy our properties. And we have our cool effect. Yes, click on publish. But we skipped one part, and this is the overlay. Because with overlay, the page has a little bit more contrast here. Contrast between page background and this text and our content here. So let's go to Elementor, click on style for this section here, and click on background overlay. Click on background type, choose the black color and change opacity to be 0.7 or 0.5. Yes, click on update. Now let's change the background for this footer. We can do this on 2 ways. If you go on settings in OceanWP theme, or if you are using the inspect element and through CSS, let me show you. Okay, this is the footer button ID. Let's target this here, footer button, with this and type this color. First, check what color this is. Sorry. Here, this is our color. Copy. Now again, go to footer button, type background color. Okay. Is it working? Yes. And let's change color, font color to be pure white. Dum-da-da-dum. Without using OceanWP theme settings, just only these two CSS properties. Okay. And now, because you stayed here until the end of this tutorial, I want to show you how to stick this section when you scroll, that this menu icons, the header with menus, with the logo and menus, stayed all the time to be visible. But before that, I want to little bit to size down this font and icons. So let's go to our customizer to see options for OceanWP theme. Okay, I think that we need to change our menu size. This is drop down. Okay, let's go on typography on main menu. Change it to 14 pixel, the font size of menu to be 14 pixels. Now it is a little bit better. Again, let's go to the customizer, add these few lines of CSS. Okay, and watch now. The menu, this header is fixed, you see. Let's comment out this. Now don't, but now it is working. Okay, but because this is a position fixed, this section moves to the top here, and the height of this header is 74 pixels, and we need to change to add padding top on main to move down this section for 74 pixels. You see how the whole section goes up if we delete this property. See, Welcome to Universe is going to the top, and if we paste it, this is the standard. Okay, click on publish. That was my surprise. But before the real end, you can, let me refresh this page. You can change your section to be mobile responsive. I didn't do that. See, this is very awful, but if you click here on this title, and in advance you can change the margin or padding for mobile. Also, you can change the font size for mobile. This will be your homework for today's tutorial. Again, if you like my content, please like this video, leave a comment. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.